Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great Christmas season. I know everybody's expecting good things for Christmas and all that. So I decided to do something special for today's video. Today is going to be another unboxing video, but this is going to be something that I purchased for myself for an early birthday present, since this is my birthday month. It's something that I've really been wanting to get and really been looking forward to getting it and needing, especially now that I'm on YouTube. So I'm excited to jump on here and have y'all with me as I open up my birthday present to myself. So let's get to it. I got it right here, so let me lift it up. It's kind of big, so I'm gonna have to slide back, let you see. I'm gonna slide back a little bit, let y'all see. Okay, can you see me? This is my birthday present myself. I wonder what it could be. I mean, it's kind of long. What do you think it is? Any guesses? What could it be? Could it be a baseball bat? Give you a heads up, I don't like baseball, so it's definitely not a baseball bat. So what else could it be? So I'll turn around, let you get a view of this. That side, this side. What's that? A hockey stick? Nope. Not in hockey either, so. I watch only one sport, and that's soccer, and this isn't a soccer ball. And it's too small to be a soccer goal, so. Any idea what it could be? Let's see. Could it be, what's that, a telescope? No, I do like the stars, mainly because I keep my head in the clouds a lot. And I like watching stars. I can slide up now. Actually, when I was a little boy, I wanted to be a astronaut. Until about 1996, as I was in 6th grade and watched the Challenger explode. I have not wanted to be an astronaut since. So it's not a telescope, so what could it be? Let's see. What do you say we open this bad boy up? Let me grab my tool. Yep, my box cutter. Little friendly PSA, do not take one of these on an airplane because you will not get very far. Don't even think about it, okay? So that's not what this is. So what is it? Let's see. How am I gonna do this? Let's see. Let's get that open. I mean, it's kind of odd. I don't want to get that open. There we go. And this, well, this is kind of awkward because it's so big. So now you can see that. Okay, you probably, there you go. You can see that. There you go. Let's see what it is. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. I've been wanting one of these. What is it? I heard something fall out. That's a bag. What's in here? Let's see what else is in here. Oops. Oh my goodness. There are lots of things in here. I'll show you what they are. See? Big clips. So we got these clips. And then we got this. This should be a dead giveaway what it is. Any guesses? This is my new background for my new green screen. And this is actually, if we open up the bag, let's see. All of this is going to be my new background behind me as I'm on here recording videos, so you won't have all those crazy scenes where I kind of like blend into the background. So this is my new green screen. So now you know what I got for myself for my birthday. that is today's unboxing video. I want to encourage you to come back soon. Probably in the next couple of weeks. I got some more things coming that I bought for myself. I don't know why my beard looks so reddish when the light hits it from that angle. As you can see, my beard's gotten real thick. It's that time of year where I actually go out and bike. I'm probably gonna go out biking today in the cold weather, so I let my beard get a little bit thicker. I don't thin it out, so that's why it's so thick. You look around and this side and this side. So again, Merry Christmas. Stay safe. Leave these off the airplane. And come back soon to see what else I'm going to be opening up. Bye-bye.